Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about the Shopify Plus checklist. So this checklist offers guidance and resources for important milestones when launching on Spotify Plus. So first on the checklist is migrating your data. So migrating products, migrating customers, migrating historical orders, migrating gift cards, migrating B2B data, migrating other data. So next one is creating and uploading content. So under these there are pages, blogs, upload files and images, meta fields, meta objects, notifications. So next one is organizing data. So under these are collections, customer, product and order tags, and meta fields. So the next one is configuring your Shopify admin settings. So under these there are general, user and permissions, payments, checkout customization, customer accounts, shipping and delivery, taxes and duties, locations, gift cards, international sales tools, customer privacy. So the next one is apps and sales channels. So under this is domains, pixels and customer events, brand, notifications, custom data, languages, policies, and the next one is setting up your online store. So the important ones are themes, preferences, menus, storefront filtering, Google Analytics. Next one is Shopify supported apps and integrations. So under these are Shop Pay installments and Shopify tax engine. So the next one is custom integrations, custom storefront experiences, third-party apps and integrations, enterprise resource planning or ERP, integration partners. So setting up international sales tools, create and manage market with international sales tools, Shopify payments for multi-currency, shipping profiles, translation and localization. So setting up subscriptions, migrating subscriptions, custom subscription app, managing subscriptions. So setting up Shopify business to business, Shopify B2B considerations, creating or migrating companies, setting up B2B catalogs and quantity rules, importing B2B order history. So preparing to launch your store. Before you launch your store, you need to make sure that everything works as intended in your store. You also need to set up URL redirects, test orders, set up your domain, and review your apps and users. Thanks for watching.